Four pork chops. I had 4 pork chops in the freezer. We cut them out of a big, huge tenderloin. I think it gave us like 16 pork chops. Got the egg and the milk mixture and flour. You can use breadcrumbs. I might add some breadcrumbs to that. Italian breadcrumbs. Yeah, I'm gonna add these to the flour. I'm just gonna make these chicken flavored fettuccinis with the pork chops. Waiting for the oil to get hot. I didn't have room for all 4 of them, so I'm gonna have to fry the last one in the skillet by itself. I'm gonna take these out. So they ended up fitting in the skillet anyway. I guess one of the 3 that I put in there, they shrunk a little bit. I got the 4th one in there. I don't know if this is real meat. Who knows what it is? They say it's pork chop, but who knows? But anyway, it is what it is. But so yeah, they're doing pretty good. I'm not gonna fry them too long, probably just like 6 minutes on each side. Depends on what check and see what they look like. Looking good. Golly, look at all that crunchy goodness. Yum, 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 yum. And the pork chops are done. Perfection. Well, to me anyway, I think they look pretty good. Well, thank y'all for watching, and I hope y'all have a very, very blessed Thanksgiving with your family. And I'll talk to y'all later. Bless you and bye.